We have our distinguished guest, Mr. Mahdi from Iran. Sir, what do you say about this program, which is held by the Kotham today?
Yes, Salam alaikum. Thank you. This is very good ceremony. It's very attractive. I can see positive student, and it's very motivation to the active future. Is very good. College is very perfect college, and I hope that in future we can collaborate between this college and the same college in Iranian student with each other.
What do you say about tourism? Pakistan is a very beautiful country.
Pakistan is very beautiful countries, and is we need they need to inform and some advice to another people in other countries, especially in Iran, because Iranian don't any ideas about Pakistan and some beautiful histories, beautiful places, and if is announced to Iranian people, I think travel to Pakistan and visit some beautiful cities such as Lahore, such as Islamabad, is a need to now inform each other between Iranian and Pakistani people.
Thanks for High Excellency.
Thank you. Nice to see you.